Guys, how you doing? So I wanted to explain a scenario that we're in. I was showing and demonstrating how you can create Minecraft selfies in the Minecraft world using a Raspberry Pi and a microbit to take a picture and then turn it and convert it into Minecraft, into the Minecraft world. And as you can see here, we started on a print, but what we failed to take into account on this print was that there's a huge mountain on this terrain. And so I could go through and try to blast every little block in this huge mountain, but you can see here, this is a massive mountain. And to block and just chip away at each individual block over and over again would take hours. And so once again, I want to show you the power of code. And so what I've done is I have created a little program that's going to allow me to clear out massive amount of space relatively quickly. So check this out. What we have here is a piece of code where I have set into place a command, because one of the things that I had to keep in mind is I only got one shot for this picture. Like, I can't run this program again because I'm not going to see this kid again. And so I cannot destroy the big selfie wall that's in the Minecraft. And so we've just run our basic Minecraft commands. You can see here we're importing the Minecraft library, we're importing the Minecraft block library. And then we are creating a get tile position. We're going to locate where the character is at. And then what I've done is I've put a size input command in here. And so the input command is going to ask the question, the size of the area to clear, because I wasn't sure how big of an area to clear. So I'd be very careful that I did not ruin the selfie. And so then what I've got going on here then is in the Python code, it's going to ask for an area. And then it's going to take my position, the X, Y, and Z coordinates where my character is at, and it's going to add whatever size I input. So if, say, I put in 10, it's going to add 10 to the X, the Y, the Z, and it's going to convert all those blocks into air. And so what I've been doing is I have a location, I have a spot in the game, and you can see that I've been sampling what is the number to get me the closest to the wall without ruining the wall. And right now my position is 22. And so this is what happens when we run this command. All right. What it's going to do, I'll show you over here and then I'll expand over to the Minecraft world. When I go to run this code, it's going to ask me the size of the area to clear. You can see that down there in the bottom. You can see that down there in the bottom. And then when I insert a number, you're going to be able to see in just a minute, if I type in 10, it would take that number and it would actually then delete those blocks out. And so this is how I make life a lot easier. All right, so let me switch back over to the Minecraft world. All right, so here we are in the Minecraft game, and you're going to start to watch this unfold. And so let me drop down. Okay, so I'm just going to start right here. I just moved my character a little bit, as you notice, so the 22 may not work now, but we can adjust that. And I'm going to go ahead and run the Python code so you can actually then see what happens in the Minecraft world. So I'm going to go back over here and run. Alright, so it's asked me what number to clear. I'm going to type in 22, and then you can see all that just got cleared right there. Alright, so I'm in great shape, and this is going to allow me to just clear out this picture faster than I've ever had to do before. If I had to do it by hand, oh man, it would take forever. So I'm just going to keep running this code, clearing out these blocks, and we'll be getting to the selfie in no time. Alright guys, once again a reminder of the power of code. And if you can understand how to write code, you can make your life and things so much easier to get done and get accomplished in a much faster way. Alright guys, stay awesome.